welcome back to my channel. So for today I am doing the unboxing of the tripod which I have got. Alright, so this is a tripod from Digitek company. This is how it looks. I got it from Amazon. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, anything else? What is this? Nothing else. So this is the case in which it comes. So okay, so I got this for 792 rupees. This is the bill. Let's open it up. This is also quite good that this is for like you can carry it anywhere. Let's bring it on. So this is how it comes. Done. Since I am a beginner to YouTube, okay, so I have bought this one because like I have not went for a really expensive one. Okay, so this is how it opens. Looks like this. And we also have this mobile case, stand, wherein we can fit our mobile phone in this. It is not of that much good quality, but this would do justice for beginners, I guess. Alright, because in this much amount you will get what else can you expect? So it fits like this. You can fit it over here like this. Okay, so let's check out. What is this? Okay, it goes something like this. Yeah, over here I can fit my camera, my mobile camera. It's like this. Okay, and then we can make our videos. Okay, and let's check it out. It also opens like this. You can increase the height. There is a lock system over here. We can increase its height as much as we can, as much as we want. Okay, done. And then we can again lock it. It's done. Look, right? Again we can open it like this from all the sides, and we can again increase its height like this from all the sides. We can again lock it from here and then from here. Again there is one more step to open it up, so this I'll show when I'll put it downwards. ठीक है? Okay, अभी हम क्या करते हैं? Let's check out the functioning of the above for I think this is quite good for beginners. This is not bad. You're getting it in a very affordable price. 700 is not bad. Okay. Again we can close it one by one, and then we can lock it. Then we can close it one by one, and then we can lock it. So this is the normal size. Okay, now let's check out the functioning. I don't know how it works. I'll have to see each and everything. Okay, so this is for okay, here we have some lock system, I guess, which opens And over here also we have something. How it goes, I have no idea about it. Total yeah, so we can adjust in whichever, we can adjust it in whichever, you know, we need it. I'm just taking this off. I'll check it out how it goes. We can do it like this also. Okay. Guys, there is this feature in it that it goes like this in 360 degrees. I have just loosened this a bit and then it goes like this. It goes in 360 degrees. Look. This is a really nice feature of this tripod. I have loved this feature, and it also gets rotated. This one also gets rotated. Look. And this also gets rotated. I'll show you. It's like, yeah, this is the feature. It gets rotated like this. Just loosen this a bit and you can rotate this like this. And so guys, this is the standing position of the tripod, but this is not the actual height. All right, so what we need to do is, there is one lock over here, as you can see. Yeah, I hope you can see it. You just have to loosen this lock. Okay, and this is the holder which you need to just do like this. Okay, and this portion will be coming up. So height is again increased. Look, and this is the maximum height, and then we can again just lock it again. Tighten this, and this is it. So you can see this is of my height, so that's why I got this one, because there was another for 550 rupees, but then I haven't gone for that one because its height was approximately 4 feet. All right, so this is a 5 feet, and this is, you are getting this tripod in a fairly affordable price, and for my opinion, I think you should definitely go for this if you are a beginner. All right, and if you are using your mobile phone for shooting and all, you can go for this tripod. I have not found any of the, you know, drawbacks in this one, just that this is a very lightweight kind of. Okay, if you are shooting outside, then don't go for this one. If you are like going for camera and all, don't go for this one. If you are shooting with your mobile phone, and that too inside your home, all right, where there is no that much distraction of wind and all, then you can go for this one. And the link of this tripod I'll be sharing in the description box below. I'll give you in the description. You can go and check it out, and you can buy it from there. Okay, this is not bad. In my opinion, you should go for it. And yeah, one more thing. The next video which is coming on my channel is the hair care video, which is also a requested one. I'll be sharing my hair care routine with you guys, and hope you guys like that one as well. If you like this video informative, then do subscribe to the channel and do share this video with your friends and family. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.